CNN News 18 has reached the exact spot from where the vertical drilling will start within the next few hours. If I could just show you in the visuals over here, this is the water body source, and from here the vertical drilling will start within the next few minutes, or probably by evening is what we are being told. You can see the markings that have been made over here. So the basic plan is there will be two pipes that will be drilled through it. The first pipe would be the lifeline pipe, which will be approximately 80 meters long, and the second pipe will be the rescue pipe, and through that vertical rescue pipe it is expected that the people would be taken out. But yes, it is going to be a very long haul and a long process, because digging through 80-meter of mountain, the kind of terrain that is present over here is going to be a very long haul, and hence the work is also going on from at least 5 other directions, just to make sure that if at all any of these plans fail, the other plans remain continue to remain at work, so that people who are trapped inside for the last 9 days, they could be reached at the earliest. Now this is one of the plans that has been put in place by the rescuers, whereas the easiest plan what the rescuers feel still is drilling through the American auger machine, but that drilling has still not started over the last 48 hours now. So yes, it remains to be seen when will that start. But yes, all these plans that are in work, that are in tandem, we are expecting that within the next few hours the heavy machines that have been called in will reach over here, and post that we can expect that finally the drilling process will start. And through this drilling process, which could take a huge amount of time as well at this point, because we have seen that how difficult this terrain of Himalayas has been for the rescuers to actually work into. So yes, it remains to be seen when will that happen. But yes, the work has started at least from all the 5 sides. Roads are being made by the BRO at this point in time, so that heavy machinery that has been called in from various parts of the country, that machinery could reach over here. And once that machinery reaches, after assembly, we can expect the operations to start. But when will that happen? When will the first worker come out, or when will solid food first reach the workers who are stuck inside for more than 9 days now? That is a big question mark. But yes, what we can confirm is that yes, work is ongoing, and definitely from all the 5 directions the rescuers are working 24/7 just to make sure that the people who are stuck inside remain safe and are taken out at the earliest. The biggest problem that are being faced by the rescuers is initially the terrain. We have seen that the American auger machine, which was initially called in for Indore, that was kept outside the tunnel for at least 2 days. But yes, the easiest method still to reach where the workers are is still through the American auger machine. All these plans that we are showing to our viewers, the vertical drilling, all the horizontal drilling, these are just backup plans, that if at all that plan does not get successful, then work should continue on these plans as well, so that at some point in time they can reach where the workers. And now remember, this vertical drilling that is being done, it needs to be dug through at least approximately 90 meters, whereas the horizontal tunneling that is being done, that will be need to dug through at least 170 meters from the left side and 200 meters approximately from the right side, whereas the other end of the tunnel, it needs to be dug through approximately 400 meters, whereas from the Silkyara end of the tunnel, where we have been reporting for the past many days, that is the easiest option, because there is approximately 60 meters of debris, and there is the American auger machine has already been able to dig through at least 22 meters through it. But that is what is the easiest way. But yes, all these plans that have been made is to make sure that if at all that plans fail, then at least work is going on all these plans, so that someday or the other they could reach inside and take all the workers out. Now the rescuers know that it is going to be a very long haul for them, and hence the main focus of the rescuers is to make sure that they insert a lifeline pipe through which food, drones for visual contact, and optical fiber cables are put in for better communication with them, because it can be a long haul, and hence it is needed at this point in time that the morale of all the people who are stuck inside remains constant and upbeat, because if at all something a panicky situation develops inside the tunnel, then things could go haywire in a matter of seconds. And this is something that the people actually know out here, and hence we are seeing that all these plans are being worked on at this point in time. In fact, the PMO has asked for a report as well from the rescuers out here by 4 p.m. tonight, in which it is expected that they will give the exact details of the timeline through which they are expecting to get these workers out of the tunnel. But yes, the safest and the best plan is still from the Silkyara tunnel side, where the American auger machine will work through. Now remember, the vibrations that were happening in that auger machine, because of that the structuring inside the tunnel had been damaged. Now what has been done over the last 2 days since the American auger machine has been put on hold, basically the restructuring of that entire tunnel has been done, and by today evening we are being told that process process would come to an end, and post that we can yet again expect the auger machine to start drilling through the debris. And once it starts drilling through the debris, it is at least going to take 24 to 36 hours for that pipe to reach to the workers. Will that process start tonight? Rescuers plan that it might start tonight if everything goes according to what they have planned, according to what they have charted out. But yes, we have seen over the last nine days that the plans of these rescuers have definitely not been going according to their wish, and that is the reason why we are seeing that there is this delay that is happening in taking out all these workers who are stuck inside for now more than 9 days without any sort of solid food. Seeing this team of experts that is continually looking at how the terrain out here in the Himalayas are, we'll just try and get in a word from sir. What are the challenges that you are seeing happening out here at this point, sir?
The challenges? Look, you can see the challenges. That's the challenge.
This terrain is absolutely made of debris.
We're in the Himalayas.
Right.
Building a tunnel through this is extremely difficult. So rescuing is also extremely difficult. But we're going to get the 41 men out. We're going to make sure no rescuers get hurt in the process. But if you're in any doubt about the challenges, all you do is look here. We can do it again. So seriously, it is this simple. Here, you're all geologists now. You tell me, right? That's what we have to deal with. So that's why we're going back to the office. We're going to make excellent decisions about it. 41 men are coming out alive. No one's going to get hurt while we do it. And we're going to do a deal with this mountain and get everyone home, okay?
Definitely,
that's the plan.
Your conviction is something that will instill a lot of confidence amongst the people, sir. So, what is the best thing that you can do to make sure that this debris is under control and does not fall yet again, sir?
Work as a team, and that's what we're doing. I'm here as part of a team. The experts that are here are the best experts in the world on Himalayan geology. They're here. The teams of people are here. The equipment is here. The 41 men are under us. We're going to get them out, and we're going to make sure no one else gets hurt. That's our task. And everyone's here. Now we just have to be very considered and get on with it.